Hey lovelies, today I'll be showing you how to trim your natural hair without heat. You'll be needing a scissors, a white tooth comb, a demon brush, and a fine tooth comb. I've already stretched my hair by doing African threading. I threaded my hair with wool and I left it for 48 hours. Check out my link down below on how to thread your hair to get it stretched. So I'm going to be starting with a section at the back. I'm just taking out the thread. I used wool on my hair and as you can see it's nicely straightened it a bit. I'm going to use a white tooth comb to kind of detangle. Just put a bit of oil on my hands, so just to give it a slight slick to it. I'm going to take out a section and divide it into half and clip the other one top like so. And then I'm going to brush and detangle the other part and make it as straight as possible. We're pulling it down like so. And now you should be able to see the point where it starts to thin out and you can see it looking uneven. So from there you determine how much you want to trim off using the scissors. I trimmed up like 1/2 inch or so for each section. This is enough that my ends feels a bit straight and stronger. So I'm going to clip this and take the other half. I'll brush to detangle. So I'm combing it through with my demon brush to get it as straight as possible. And with my fine tooth comb, and pull down the hair to fully stretch and trim. I'm now going to put this section into like a twist and into a bantu knot. I'm taking out the other section now, brushing it with my white tooth comb. Just trying to detangle to make it as straight as possible. Cut it into 1/2 or 3 sections. Brush it off with my demon brush to make it as straight as possible. Just checking the length of my hair there. I'm going to use my fine tooth comb to kind of brush it, pull it down like so, and then I'll trim out the split ends, just like so. And if it's still uneven, I just go back and just trim out any part that I feel is there, just to get it as even as possible. So it's fairly even now. I'm just snipping out a tiny bit of split ends there. I'm just brushing the other section with my brush to detangle and a fine tooth comb like so. Pull it down just to see where the hair starts to thin out, and then I snip off the split ends. I'll do the same for the other part of the hair. So I try to trim off section by section. I walk through one side of my head at a time, working my way from back to front. Twist it in a bantu knot. So I'm taking off the thread. the next bit of threaded piece, separating it, detangling it. Part the section into half, clip this at the front, detangle with a comb to completely stretch out the hair, pull the hair out, snip off the split ends. Clip it over, and then I would just repeat the steps for the rest of the sections. When you trim your hair, it gets the hair really looking and feeling smooth and stronger. I noticed that if I don't tend to trim when my split ends are there, the hair tends to shed more when you don't trim. So trimming is really a good way to make your hair more manageable and healthier. Threading is really a good way of straightening and stretching the hair because it just makes it as straight as you can without blow drying it or using the straightener. So I'll just repeat the steps like so. Trimming your hair makes the hair, healthier, more manageable, stronger, and and it sheds less when you trim out the split ends. And threading gives similar results to straightening the hair, and it just stretches it nicely with no heat damage. So this is how much hair I ended up trimming off. I'll now start by taking everything down and give it a little brush like so. I eyeball it to make sure everything is even on both sides. And that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful and you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. Bye.